let's see. So what was the problem was that we are to choose between the two values. One is value 1 and the other one is value 2. So either we are going to assign value 1 or value 2, but there are situations in which the value 2 is, you can say, invalid. Why it becomes invalid? Because just look at this that I have written. I have written here j minus the value of the input matrix weight. What happens sometimes is जब हम लोग j में से weight को minus करते हैं तो the value becomes minus, and when the value becomes minus वो array में से pick नहीं की जा सकती है. So that means when this value is invalid, we are always going to copy the value 1 in the Tij array. तो इसको अचीव करने के लिए जो मैंने पिछला कोड लिखा था उसमें सिर्फ ये 3 लाइंस ऐड की हैं, और मैं वैल्यू 1 और वैल्यू 2 यानी वैल्यू 2 को कंप्यूट करने से पहले चेक कर रहा हूं कि इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ j माइनस द वेट, j minus the weight is less than 0. Less than 0 का मतलब क्या है? The index can never be negative for any array. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वैल्यू 1 को ही हमने कॉपी करना है और वैल्यू 2 को कंप्यूट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए यहां पर कंटिन्यू लिख दिया गया है. Now after making this very small change, that is to ignore the value 2, if the index is becoming negative, what change did we find in our final code? तो हमने उसको रन किया है. तो रन करते समय it is asking us about the number of items we have. The number of items we have is 4. The weight of the bag is 5. Enter the weight of item number 1 and so what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to give the input of what is the weight and value. So the weight of the first is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, and this is the final output that we are getting. Please check, this is the final output we are getting. What is special to see is that all the steps are being done correctly. What is our step number 1? That is कि हमारा जो first row है और column है और first row है, that should be 0, वो आ गया है. This final value is our maximum weight. This final value is our maximum value that we can get. But it is equal to 7. ओके, अब ये 7 आया कहां से? आप ध्यान से देखेंगे कि 7 यहां पर है तो इसके ऊपर भी 7 है और यहां पर भी 7 है, लेकिन इसके ऊपर 7 नहीं है. दैट मीन्स आइटम नंबर 2 को कंसीडर किया गया है और 3 के ऊपर 0 है तो आइटम नंबर 1 को कंसीडर किया. तो हमने कौन सी दो आइटम्स को लिया है? आइटम नंबर 1 और आइटम नंबर 2 को. So that is our final answer. The final answer is that value is equals to 7. The maximum value we can gain is 7. और कौन कौन सी आइटम सिलेक्ट की गई हैं? 1 and 2. लेकिन अब देखने वाली बात यह है कि is this the correct answer? So you can verify this correct answer from the notes that I have given to you regarding the knapsack problem using डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग. वो नोट्स अभी भी मेरे पास ओपन है, तो एक बार मैं उस स्क्रीन को भी शेयर कर देता हूं आपके साथ. तो लेट मी शेयर द नोट्स विद यू एंड लेट अस चेक वेदर द आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. So this is it. तो हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स कितनी लिए हमने? 4. हर एक का वेट और वैल्यू कितना लिया? एग्जैक्टली द वन गिवन इन हेयर. What was our final solution? Our final solution was this. Our final solution was this. Exactly the same. Which is the value, maximum value that we can gain is the last value, which is 7. ये भी correct है. which two items we are going to consider is item number 1 and item number 2, which is also correct. So students, we were successfully able to write the program for 01 knapsack problem using the dynamic programming. I hope that you are able to understand that the things are not as difficult as you might see, that program writing is difficult. No, it is not. अगर आपको एल्गोरिथम अवेलेबल है, सिंपली आपने उस एल्गोरिथम को प्रोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है, which makes it a very easy job. So that is the only reason I called you back, that the solution was found and that solution has been shared with you. You can see the output. Now I am going to share the code with you in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.